Hello, I am Trisha Joy Hervasio, a graduate student of Masters of Science in Health Informatics from the University of the Philippines, Manila. As part of MI 221, I will be discussing a project by National Library of Medicine that enables to map out different ontologies worldwide, and it is called the Unified Medical Language System, or UMLS. According to Trotter and Ullman, if Frodo were carrying an ontology, it would be UMLS. Why? It is truly the ring that binds them all. UMLS is the ring that links, connect, and relate different ontologies we have worldwide. The Unified Medical Language System is a set of files and software that contains all the ontologies, biomedical vocabularies, and standards. As previously mentioned, it enables to map out this concept from one computer to another. UMLS is intended to be used mainly by developers of systems of medical informatics. In 1986, this project was initiated by Dr. Donald Lindbergh, the then director of National Library of Medicine. It is still being maintained and funded by National Library of Medicine. We can say that he is the Dark Lord Sauron who forged the ring. Just kidding. UMLS has three tools being used. The first one is Metathesaurus, second one is the Semantic Network, and the last one is the Specialist Lexicon. Metathesaurus is the heart of UMLS. It contains the dictionary of millions of biomedical concepts, definitions from over 100 vocabularies and standards. Few of these vocabularies included are ICD codes, CPT, ACP-CS, SNOMED CT, etc. Metathesaurus are classified into categories like diagnosis, procedures, supplies, diseases, drugs, genetics, anatomy, and the likes. It also has unique identifiers that comprise of alphanumeric values. It also has preferred terms and can be grouped into subsets. The Metathesaurus can be extracted into two formats, which is RRF, or Rich Release Format, and ORF, or Original Release Format. This graph shows the percentage of categories that are included in the Metathesaurus. This one is an example of preferred term. It groups synonymous and same terms and links each other using an identifier. UMLS Terminology Services provide ways to access the UMLS. One of these is through the web browser where you can retrieve UMLS concept information including the CUI, semantic types, and synonymous terms. Another UMLS tool is the Semantic Network, which comprises of the broad categories or the semantic types and their relationship. There are 135 semantic types and 54 relationships in total. Major semantic types are organisms, anatomical structures, biological function, chemicals, events, physical objects, concepts, or ideas. These semantic types and relationships can be best in the Semantic Network browser by UMLS Terminology Services. This is where you can find and select semantic type and relation label. It will also have a report and also the properties and definitions. The last tool of UMLS is the Specialist Lexicon and Lexical Tools. These are the software programs used to aid natural language processing. It contains information about common English vocabulary, biomedical terms, etc. I hope you find UMLS very interesting and hope you've learned something from this report. Thank you for taking time to listen to this report. Have a nice day.